We're going to review this extra large 11-quart air fryer. It actually has a large bin which is separatable into two separate cooking environments. I've been using this for a couple weeks now and its 8-in-1 functions are amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two of my favorite recipes. We're going to cook that, and while I do that, I'm going to tell you about all those features you want to know about. So let's talk about what I like about this air fryer. It has a large capacity. The air fryer can hold up to 11 quarts of food, so it's perfect for large families, entertaining guests, that kind of stuff. Versatility is awesome. The air fryer can be used to do air frying, obviously, roasting, broiling, baking. You can reheat food, you can dehydrate food, you can keep food warm, and of course, most important, you can make French fries. It is easy to use. The air fryer has a simple control panel with clear instructions. Components are dishwasher safe. The basket and pan are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. I mean, I really love it. It is affordable. This air fryer is a great value for what you can do with it. While using it and researching this, I did check out like the 3 most common questions that I found in the comment section. Question number 1 is the air fryer easy to clean? And the answer is an absolute yes. As I said earlier, it is easy to clean because you can put both the basket and the pan in the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe. Question number 2 is a common one. Is the air fryer healthy? And the absolute answer is yes. The air fryer is a healthier way to cook because you use less oils and stuff than in using traditional frying methods. Air frying uses hot air to cook the food, which can reduce the fat and calories as well. Question number 3 is an important one. Is the air fryer noisy? And I kind of want to say no, the air fryer is relatively quiet, but if you've ever been around air fryers, they are definitely louder than, let's say, your conventional oven. So it is not noisy like it's going to interfere with your life or it's going to be miserable or something, but it definitely makes more noise than a conventional oven. If you're looking for a versatile, easy to use, affordable air fryer, I highly recommend this. There are actually links embedded into the screen most likely, and if they are not there, they are certainly in the description. Just click on that, use it, it helps the channel out. I do need to tell you this was provided to us to do this review, but they give us no instructions. If something sucks, I'm allowed to say it sucks. If it's amazing, I say it's amazing. I hope this review has been helpful. If you have any additional questions, put them in the comments below. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, all those kind of fun things. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.